What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail, and today's cocktail, guys, as requested, is the classic Sidecar cocktail. And what I want to show you guys is two variations of the Sidecar, the classic one. Because there's a British version which is from the Savoy Cocktail book, so it's just here. Because I do recommend that you get this if you want this for your cocktail book. If you want this in your cocktail book collection, I recommend the Savoy Cocktail book from the 1930s from Harry Craddock. So first we'll make that variation. The second version is the more equal parts, which is more of the French version. Because the Savoy version, Harry Craddock's, is the British version. So we'll make the British version first from Harry Craddock. So what you want to do is get your shaker, put on some ice. I'll put 4 to 5 ice cubes. And the first ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of brandy. As you can see, we're using cognac. Next ingredient, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of Cointreau, which is triple sec. Next is 30ml or 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. So next ingredient, guys, is a dash of sugar syrup. Because it's going to be about 5ml. So the reason we do this, guys, is to counter the rim. Because it does call for the glass to be rimmed with sugar. But the modern version of it now is to put in a little bit of sugar syrup to counter the sourness of the drink. Now grab your glass, put it into the shaker, give it a bang, and now give a good hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get it nice and chill. Right, so give your shaker a bang now to separate. There we go. Get your coupe glass, put your strainer on, and strain into your coupe glass. And there it is, one classic Sidecar. So the final thing to do now is garnish it with a lemon slice. It's easy, isn't that? Now we're going to put that to one side, and now we're going to make the French version of the Sidecar. So get your shaker and put in some ice cubes. Right, now for the French version, like I said, it's equal parts of everything apart from the sugar syrup. Again, that's going to be 5ml to counter the sugar rim again. So for this, it's going to be 30ml or 1 ounce of brandy or cognac. $30ml or 1 ounce of triple sec. I'm using Cointreau. And now 30ml or 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. The final thing, a dash or 5ml of sugar or simple syrup. So grab your lid, put it on, and now shake hard for 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. And again, strain into your coupe glass. Interesting, the colour change is very interesting as well. Very interesting that. I'll just get you the other glass. See the colour change. Because I've put a little less brandy into it, you can see the colour. So can you notice the difference, guys? Because you've got like a bright, it's more of an orange colour for the British version of it from Harry Craddock. And for the more balanced version, the French version of it, it's more of a lightish pale yellow colour. So it's quite interesting, that. So again, we'll put that to one side. The final thing to do with the sidecar is garnish it with a lemon slice. You can use a lemon peel if you wish, because if you want to peel it, but we've done to slices. I'll do. So we've got two sidecars. That's the British version. That's the French version. And I can't wait to taste them just to see the difference between the British and the French version of the sidecar. Which one is better? Which one will I like? So first off, we'll try the British Harry Craddock's version, the Savoy, the classic version of it, which is which if you want the parts, it's 2-1-1 like that. Because I know it's very classic, it should be a sugar rim, that's why I put in sugar syrup to balance it out. So for the Savoy, so for the classic sidecar, how does it taste? Very nice, very nice. It's nice. Because I can see why you'd have a sugar in, because but it's not too sour at all, it's delicious actually, it's quite nice. I thought it'd be more bitter than what it is, but it's not, it's quite enjoyable, that. And now we'll taste the French version of it, equal parts each. Because let's taste this one. Personal opinion, I think I prefer Harry Craddock's version of the recipe. That's my personal opinion. I think I prefer the British version of it. But it is a nice equal part. But I think I prefer the more brandy in it. I think that's what gives it that classic taste of a sidecar. It's delicious. But it's not to say that equal parts the French version. It's very nice as well. But just from my personal opinion, I prefer the British version of it. It's because I think the brandy, just that bit more brandy, gives it that better taste. As you can tell, the equal parts one, the French version of it, because it's a bit more tangy as you'd expect, because it's got less brandy, it's equal parts of everything. So you got your bit of taste from the fresh lemon juice, and then you got the triple sec mixed in with the brandy with a bit of sugar syrup. But for the British, you got the cognac, which is the main ingredient of it. Just tastes better. So they're both delicious, but for me, it's the British version. I prefer Harry Craddock's version of the recipe, not the more French version, the Americanized version of it, which is equal parts, and that is 2-1-1 parts, and that is 1-1-1 part of the sidecar. But that's two classic ingredients of the sidecar. What do you think of it? Which version do you prefer, guys? Let me know in the comments below. But that is the Sidecar cocktail. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.